So we want to send an email to someone with Python or to ourselves without going to use Gmail, but with Python. Okay. So first of all, let's go into our Gmail or our account on Google. Let's go to the Google account, and you see here there is security. Let's click on it, and you see here, if you get a two-step verification like me, go to add password here, insert your password, after you inserted your password, you can create a password for the two-step verification so that you can use it on your on the program that we are going to do. You go here and select mail, then select, for example, Windows computer, and then you generate the password, copy and the password, and then we all go creating our program, that is this one. But let's write it again from the start. Let's call it send mail to, and the first things we are going to do is to import smtp lib. Then we are going to create our server. There is a smtp lib smtp with the smtp address of gmail.com and with 587 with this number here. Then we are going to hello, use this function here, and then server.starttls, then again server.hello. After you made this, you will log in, okay, and into your account, with your passwords. Let's leave it empty for now. At the end you will quit your server, but then you will send a message with the send mail, and from your account to another account that can be also yourself, and with a message. Now I need to generate my password here. So let's go here and let's generate it. Let's copy it and let's go back here. Let's paste it here. Let's run our program. Let's run our program. Let's run our program. Okay, it's finished. So now I should find my email into Gmail. There it is, me with no subject. Hello, this is another email sent with Python and has been sent to myself in the 6th of June. And there it is. That's all you need to know to send an email to other people, to yourself, to send more emails to more people, and so on. And this is the basic of your code, and you will find a link to my blog where there are some other information if you want. Thank you.